Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some Slendy Monkeys from the App Store. Apparently this game got a new update for, power-ups. Yeah, we got SpeedBoost, Double TubbyToast, and Dash. I'm gonna be showing you which every single one does, starting with Dash, because this is the cheapest one. As you see, if you go on your Oculus left controller, if you press X, you will dash up. Boom. And dash can be actually extremely useful if you play your cards right. So let's go to Swarm, for example. So if you go to Swarm, this thing's good for like going far away because of the really short cooldown. Oh no, we can also go like above. These are some of the cool uses, but the coolest stuff is So the next one is SpeedBoost. I actually like this one a lot, actually. This is probably one of the most OP in the game. So super speed is actually what it sounds like. Your speed is like doubled, basically. Just how faster you are. And like, go to Swarm, since this is a very open map. Dude, you can do this like it's nothing. You're basically faster than the enemies in this game, which is incredibly cool. And look at, oh, I could just do this. Boom. Boom. Oh. I mean, just look at this. Look, super slow. Bro, look, you already outchased them. Look, the best thing I like about this is you can jump higher with super speed. Boom. That's a lot more hotter. Look, dude, I jumped like an entire shot. I jumped an entire shot. Okay, so, next one is TubbyToast, well, Double Toast. Basically, the idea, the gimmick is, basically, in each average level you get, look, over here, each average level you basically get in this game when you beat them, you are awarded with 100 50 Tubby Toast. If you use 2 times Tubby Toast, you will get 100. Here, look, let's do a map without the modifier. It's a good map. Satellite station, yeah. Let's say satellite station for example. I love the super speed is so tough, bro. And this one. Boom. Look, Tubby Toast says you have collected all custards, you get 50. Okay, boom. Double Tubby Toast. Boom. You see, if you beat it, you get 100 Tubby Toast now. Take note. And, oh, boom. Hear that? Besides that, that is the showcase of the new Dash, the new SpeedBoost, and the new Tubby Toast. This is honestly my favorite, because you just speedrun maps like they don't even exist. Alright, man.